for man. One diathlete for mankind.
It's too hot. Feel dehydrated. So we're gonna do it for the vlog. Okay. That's Looking Talent 2019. We bringing it back, man. Alright, my bed is today was just a very big mess. Today's been everywhere. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but I don't feel too good. Let's start the day. Just to fill y'all guys in real quick, my family did go fishing. I did not go because I get soup sick. Soup sick? I get seasick very easily, so I decided to not go. Where's the shark? It's in here.
That's a big shark.
Oh my god, that's huge.
We'll fry it.
Yeah.
That's a pretty big shark, actually, yeah.
And get the other fishes to hold them up with the other hand. Look, he wants to go see the shark.
No. Put it next to him and then you take out a picture next to it.
Huh. You can take a picture with, look how you want to hold it. You want to hold the baby shark?
No,
the
not
baby
it.
fish?
The hand go smell first.
I'll go wash it, Ma. Let him hold it.
Fish bigger than that and they make them throw it back. What?
No, it's served
Just
up like.
pick it up.
I guess this one, no matter
No,
what size
hold it.
those are, them one.
Hold it.
But
Okay, you don't want to hold it. And you
get this
scared.
goat back.
How much cards you got? 2?
Look at all this. He has to be cheating.
How much cheating?
There's no way.
Bro, there's an hour later on the floor, bro. Or Jolly Rancher.
Find out.
Well,
If not, we can make up.
You want a hot chocolate from Starbucks?
You eating chocolate?
You're eating chocolate and you want a hot chocolate from Starbucks. Rest in peace to bathroom. Oh my god. Ryan's not coming though.
Why don't go back inside and stay inside? Okay.
What is this, Kevin?
that's yours.
Oh, this is mine?
The
Okay.
chocolate's yours.
Hey, bro, I'm the one on it.
That's yours.
Oh, that's it.
Alright, baby, this is my first time ever tasting this grande Java chip. The Java chip.
Special looking different. I look like I want one of them.
That's what you want, chip. Yeah. That is.
And it tastes good too. We love you a latte. Yep, time to go home. It's absolutely beautiful out here, bruh. Never surprised. Well, not never. I'm always surprised by the beauty of this beach, bruh. Always. NightWolf to the rescue. Ryan and Jason and Jaden. I got y'all with y'all coffees, bruh. I got y'all with y'all coffees, bruh. I am the most clutch brother in the world. Yo, Jason. Jason. Got your coffee, bro. I got some coffee, bro. Here, it's this one right here.
This one, mine?
The one at the end, yeah, I think so. And then this is Ryan's own. I got you. Hey. What'd you say?
Who paid for this?
Don't worry about that. Say what? Thank you, NightWolf.
Thank you, Daddy.
Hey, oh, all right, all right then, G. Take it easy. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Your coffee, bruh.
Wait, coffee or hot chocolate?
Hot chocolate. I'm just playing. Hot chocolate.
Oh shit.
That's Jadian's one.
Wait, this one's mine?
Yeah. So, Jadian, you get to choose. You want to get some of Ryan's hot chocolate or Jason's thing, whatever, coffee, whatever.
Bro, Jason get coffee, bro?
He asked for it, or Kevin's own.
I didn't know I could get coffee. You know he likes it.
He said, nah.
What is
Well, here, take your cup.
this?
Yeah, take a straw, and then you choose whoever one you want.
What is that? Taste this, bro.
That's hot chocolate.
It's like water.
Huh?
Oh, y'all were getting. What's the bitch?
Womp. Damn.
You stayed home. So then. You going in water?
Probably, maybe.
I got a question for you, NightWolf fans.
Tell them. That's it, bro? What are you doing? That's the real question. What are you doing? What are you doing with your life?
I'm just enjoying a Starbucks.
What are you doing with your life? What is your life goal?
My life goal.
Do you even have life goals?
My life! It's to eat Taco Bell. Let me say what's up to the vlog.
I'm done with you. Just leave. Go back home. Go back home. Just go back home. Forget it. Okay, vlog's over, guys. Consider like, subscribe, and comment down below, because I am done with this whole. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, sign me, Drake. No, fuck Drake. Meek Mill.
Fuck your Meek Mill, you
Meek
bitch.
Mill. Sign me, make it. My baiters, if you see the ocean right now, like the homeboy Jason just said, _boss2, hey, shout out. But if you look over here, bruh, there's no waves. There's legit no waves, bruh. It's like small ripples. This is really cool, actually. Thank you, NightWolf.
What?
Thank you, NightWolf,
For what?
for bringing you your hot chocolate. Thank you, NightWolf. Thank you, NightWolf. Yo, the water is cold. Well,
I mean, when you're in it, it's gonna turn hot. Oh, look, a dog.
they can't see it.
Where do I put this?
Garbage,
Where?
which is all the way down there by the stairs.
Okay.
That man Chris digging for gold. That man Chris looking for gold. Chris, what you looking for? Gold? What? That's a big hole.
There's a big hole there.
There's a big hole there?
Mm-hmm. The damn flies, man. Them flies bite you, yo.
Them flies is no joke, for real.